Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning Discord embed messages with a custom design guide. Yeah, if you want your messages to look professional, organized, and visually appealing, embeds are the way to go because honestly, plain text messages just don't grab attention like a well-crafted embed does. So first, understand the structure of an embed. Uh, Embeds can include a title, description, fields, footer, color, thumbnail, and image, which lets you present information in a clear and attractive format. Next, use a JSON builder or a bot that supports embeds. Yep, tools like Discord, Embed Builder, or bots like MEE6, Dino, or CarlBot. Make it easy to customize everything without writing code. After that, pick a color scheme. Uh, Choose colors that match your server theme or the message tone because a consistent palette makes your embeds look professional and cohesive. Also, organize information into fields. Yeah, instead of one long block of text, separate content into labeled fields, making it easier for members to read and understand key details. And yeah, add images or thumbnails. So, relevant visuals like logos or icons enhance the embed's look and make your announcements or alerts stand out. Finally, test your embed before posting. Most of the time, a well-structured embed increases engagement, looks polished, and conveys your message clearly. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.